Hi Pine Forest, I'm going to be making a DIY or do-it-yourself bird feeder today. So all you need for this activity is a knife, an old toilet paper roll, a piece of string to put through the toilet paper roll, tie your string, and then once you have this, you can get out peanut butter or sunflower butter. Any other substitute will work as long as it's sticky. And some bird feed. So you're going to take your bird feed and just sprinkle a little bit, I'll show you, onto your plate. Then you are going to take your peanut butter, and you're going to take your knife. A butter knife will work the best. And your paper towel, your toilet paper roll, I keep calling it paper towel roll. That could also work too if you want to make a big one. And spread on the peanut butter so that it goes all the way around the toilet paper roll. You might get a little sticky in the process. You can lick your fingers after and have a little snack. Alrighty, and then once you get it on all of these sides, you are going to take this and roll it with your string, and using the corners, get all of that sticky peanut butter to stick to your bird feed. Keep rolling it, might take a little bit. Alrighty, and then you should have a little bird feeder all ready to go. So I'm gonna go outside. I can multitask here. And go put this on a branch. See if any birdies come and eat. So here I'm putting it on a branch. Let's see who comes and eats it. There you go. There it is. So you could do this at your house, and then you can share your picture of your creation and maybe who came to eat your creation. And you can share it on our Slack page, and then you can talk to your teachers and all the other Pine Forest friends about your little bird feeder. Thanks for doing some DIY stuff with me. Bye, Pine Forest.